Okay, so today I wanted to go through a trade breakdown of a trade I took a while back. No, so as you can see dito sa slide natin, it's gonna be the VITA trade. So before I take you through the chart, I just wanted to go back and go through yung mga posts ko sa Investa para lang meron tayong konting history, no? So this was my first post. As you can see, nag-drawing ako kung ano yung direction na gusto kong makita, ano yung binivisualize ko kumbaga sa chart. Okay, I wanted to see it break back into the original range, which was yung red, di ba? Nag-range tayo dyan sandali, then it broke down eh. And then, after it broke down, I was looking to see if it can break back above para matrade ulit yung original range na yon. Okay? Now, what happened? As you can see, so dito linaparang ko na. It did try to break above. Ito yun, di ba? Yung white candle. But, subsequently, closed below it again. Now, ang nanonotice ko na noon is it was forming some type of channel moving up. Normally, this could be considered a bearish channel kasi it could just push up, find resistance, then push down. But, I figured I could capitalize on the small moves up kasi I wasn't looking for a massive move naman eh. My ultimate target was 96 in this trade. And then eventually, I posted this kasi napansin ko na medyo napako na tayo, no? Medyo napako tayo do sa range. I drew where I came in and I'll explain that later. Tapos eventually, I took profit at 88. Ito actually sheer chamba. Dapat talaga nun 87 eh. Na-mistype ko dun sa... So I'll be honest na. I'm always honest naman about my trades if you ask me. I mistyped it dun sa order ko. So 88 siya na benta. But it was supposed to be 87 kasi nandun talaga yung level of resistance. So I was able to sell some there and then eventually do sa 94 and then finally do sa 96 and may konti pa akong pinatakbo hanggang nabenta ko at 91. And I'll explain all of that when we go through the chart. And I just wanted to show you this history because number one, ganito yung magiging format ng mga trade breakdowns ko moving forward. Maybe not as detailed, but more or less ganito yung pwede nyo expect. May konting history just to show how the trade evolves as time goes on. Diba? Kung paano nag-iiba yung pag-iisip ko with regards to that specific trade. And also to show you na not all plans go swimmingly and how I adjust as plans go awry. Okay? So next, let's move on to the chart, no? So dito sa chart, I drew back yung original na tinitingnan ko when this was happening. Ang sabi ko noon, I wanted to see break above this level. Bakit itong level na to? Okay, hindi ko na zinone na para lang mas clear siya kapag nag-explain ako. But, syempre, always imagine na support and resistance are areas, not just one specific price. So, bakit ito? Kasi, kung makikita nyo, this was an area of support. So, it supported here, here. Actually, you can imagine it as one big area here. It resisted here, supported here, and so on and so forth. No? Even if you look back sa chart. Okay? Way back. It acted as support here, resistance there, and so on. So that was an important area for me kasi it's an area where business was done before. Business meaning, odds are, if you look back, wala ako nung volume profile, hindi kasi ako elite member, no? Odds are, if you look back do sa volume profile, may volume talaga na nangyayari sa area na to kasi nga it's been worked at from both sides. Now, when this broke out, bakit di ako agad pumasok? Even though sabi ko, this is what I wanted to see. Kasi it barely did. It broke out, it tried to move higher, but it closed one tick above, is still within my range. Diba? It's still within the range of these support lows. So I wasn't really very eager to get in on that candle, and I wanted to see what the next candle would do. And what did the next candle do? It gapped down, then just stayed and consolidated in this area. So at that point, I wasn't really very excited to get in at that price kasi hindi naman niya na-break yung important ko na area eh. Diba? Had it broken up, then I would be looking for potential entries to trade it up to 96. Okay? So, wala. So, I waited. What happened? So, dadahan-dahanin natin. No? So, what happened was this. It pushed back down. Okay? Then na-notice ko, we were starting to form a support area here around 80. Let's just change this color para dali siyang ma-identify, no? Sorry. Let's change it to red. A support area here. So what I did was I started to slowly accumulate na. Naglagay ako ng order at 80. Okay? Around this area. Kasi napansin ko may support na eh. Then what happened? Moved up, moved back here. Okay lang, pinaparod ko pa rin. Wala pa rin order filled. Tried to break back again. Ayaw pa rin. Then here we get filled. Okay? Here we get filled. When I got filled and I saw that it was holding like so, bumili pa ako additional at 81. As you can see from yung post ko nga from before. That's why I said history is important. Ito yung iniisip ko kung bakit ako bumili at 80 to 81. If you look at this area, okay, this area here, yan yun eh. Para sa akin, ito yung support niya. Then my stop would go below here. Diba? Would it be better if the stop was below here? Yes, but I felt like my range would be invalidated na if it went below 76. So let's put another level there, no? So what happened? So it lollygagged about. Nag-range. It went even lower. Akala ko talaga may stop out ako. Then it moved back. Started to push. Came back down. Then yun na nga. Ito yung sinasabi ko na nagka-typo lang ako. Dapat 87 yan. Na-type ko 88. So sometimes, breaks of the game, sinerte ng konti, nakabenta ako ng konti. Bakit ako nagbenta dito? Kasi initially, tinitignan ko, pwedeng range na to eh. Pwedeng ito na yung range niya, mag-consolidate tayo ng konti, then it breaks down. But since I had an initial trade idea of it going to 94 to 96, bakit 94 to 96? It was this area here, no? If you look at it, it was that area there. Okay? So, I left some running. Then it pushed higher. Okay, when it pushed higher here, my stop was already at break even, more or less. Kasi, it broke above na. It even broke above this area. So I felt like if it should go, then it needed to go soon. If it broke back below my range, then I was wrong na. Diba? So at this point, nag-set ako to sell something a little bit at 94, which I did say dun sa post din sa Investa. Okay? Move. Nag-consolidate siya. Then we get hit here. Sold a bit at 94. Then, I sold a bit more at 96 here. Okay? Lahat yan nakapila na. Hindi ako nagsesell at market most of the time. Usually, I like presetting everything para kahit papano, mauna ka ba ng konti sa pila? Para kung kunwari ma-hit man yung level na hinahanap mo, at least nauna ka sa pila, di ba? Get hit here. Okay? Then this happened. Then when this gap down, okay, when this gap down here, okay, so when this gap down, binenta ko na lahat. Para sa akin, dapat kung tutuloy ka, mag-pullback ka, maayos eh. Hindi na yung ganito eh. Diba? It shouldn't have, kumbaga, okay lang mag-gap down, tapos kung may konting strength, mag-push agad. Hindi eh. It gap down, tapos mahina eh. Pangit yung ladder nun kung natama yung pag-aalala ko eh. So, binenta ko na kagad. But that was the trade idea behind VITA. Okay? So, I hope na nagustuhan nyo tong short trade breakdown. And if you want to see more of this, please do let me know in the comment section below so I can make more videos with trade breakdowns na hopefully makatulong sa inyo moving forward. And as always, if you found this video helpful, I would really appreciate it if you subscribe to my channel. Maybe give this video a like. And also, hit the bell icon kasi it lets you know when a premiere or a video is coming up and at least wala kayong mamimiss, diba? And as always, guys, good luck and happy trading!